Okay, this is going to be my review of the case cube. Now, first thing to say is that some makes and websites say that it is a 2 by 3 by 5 cube. This is not the case. These extended bits here are all actually one piece, so those 3 bits there, one piece, not 3. It's actually just a 3 by 3 by 3 mod. Now if you look here from this angle, you can see that it's just a 3 by 3 by 3 with these 2 edge pieces, or these 6 edge pieces truncated and cut off there, and these 4 edge pieces extended, and these 2 corner pieces extended twice to make it into this shape. This one is a Dian Sheng cube. I got it off pickegg.com. It was about £5.50, something like that. In a size comparison to a 3 by 3, it is exactly 2/3 long, as you can see there, and it's the same height. My first impressions of the cube is that it turns with no problems at all. I haven't had it lock, and definitely haven't had it pop yet. It's very sturdy, and I definitely don't feel like I'm going to break it. The sticker quality is okay. I do believe that the black one will look better. The white stickers on white always doesn't look great, and also from now on I'm only trying to get black cubes due to this. I actually noticed this first on my QJ 4x4 against my Ishin 4x4, and I noticed the difference in, well, the look in difference of quality between the two. Now, the colour scheme of the cube can be a problem, as each corner only has the one colour on it, as well as the face colour. This means that you have to learn the colour scheme, or these 3 and these 3 could be on different sides. You wouldn't know when solving it unless you know the colour scheme. I believe this causes a parity. Now, there is a way to get around it, but I just advise learning the colour scheme of your cubes. It won't take any longer to solve, and it saves you doing that algorithm. Undercutting and overcutting. There's a slight bit of undercutting. You can see there, not much, but to be honest, you're not going to be speed solving this, so it shouldn't really matter. As the speed of turning goes, it's very good actually. I think the speed of the actual puzzle isn't a problem at all. It's not very stiff at all. Like I said, it doesn't lock up. If you start getting it very scrambled, then it can get caught on certain pieces. As you can see, there's a lot of sort of pointy edges, so that can happen, but as a rule it shouldn't really lock up. The weight, it is about the same weight really. For the extra size of it, it doesn't really weigh any more than a usual 3 by 3. For the pieces, now the pieces are very difficult to get out, and you do feel like it's going to break, but they do come out with a bit of force. That's an edge piece. It's the usual 3 by 3 edge piece. That's a corner piece, and inside you can see it's the normal 3 by 3 core. A few things about the case cube. Although it is quite fun to solve, as all 3 by 3 mods, it's a little bit of an extra challenge on something that you do quite a lot, especially if, I would guess, as you've bought this puzzle, that you will usually solve a Rubik's 3 by 3. The other challenge to this is patterns. You can make some quite interesting patterns, and especially as it looks vastly different and much more complicated than a 3 by 3, so when you tell people that it's just a normal 3 by 3, they will probably get quite confused. The normal pattern that you'll see is that. Sometimes there'll be a logo there which make it look a bit better, and like I said, it would look better in black. Now I'll do a quick scramble and solve for you, just to show what it's like, but as I said, it's all about recognition rather than how fast you can solve a 3 by 3. If you want to attempt OLL and PLL, you are welcome to, but personally I don't think I will. F2L is definitely doable on this cube though. Okay, that's it scrambled. I'm not going to time this because it's not really worth it, but I will just go ahead and solve it for you. See what you think. Okay, for any of you that don't know the FUD algorithm or the Fisher cube algorithm, parity algorithm, I will put an annotation on, and I'll be making a video on it soon anyway, so check it out there. Okay, and there we have it. So my verdict on this cube is that it is very fun. It's good for messing around with if you don't really feel like solving something and just want to have something in your hands to play around with. Then yeah, buy this. But if I'm honest, it's a bit expensive for a 3x3 mod that is just to look pretty. So it's up to you, depending on what price you can get it for, or if you have some money lying around and you don't know what cube to get, then yeah, get it. But if you're specifically out to get it, then I wouldn't really bother. I don't think it's worth it, value for money. But if you do get it, it is a good cube. Okay, so thanks for watching, hope it's been helpful, and happy cubing.